Namaste. I'm Zach.
I'm Shelly.
And welcome back to basic acro yoga for beginners. And the next pose we're going to practice and show you is bow pose dhanurasana. So let's get started. The base lies down. The flyer stands up facing away this time. So you're going to take your feet in the middle or the base of her back, right above the glute. And you're going to trust your partner and you're going to do a little bit of a back bend. The base has somewhat of a bent knee in the beginning here, so slowly bend your knees, lean back a little bit.
Yeah, me.
And then she pushes up. There you go. And then she drops her feet down, trying to catch her ankles. And I take my hands on her shoulders and she drops her head back, pushing the feet away and breathing here. And if it feels okay, you can let go once you feel comfortable. And breathe for a while. And breathe as much as you can. And just trust your partner. And then slowly, when you're ready to exit, take your shoulders again, bend your knees, the base, and slowly come down, head up last, inhale, stand up, and ta-da! That's the bow pose in acro yoga.